Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M15, and today I will show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the phone. So to get started, let's pull up our contacts application. If I can actually find it. Oh, there we go. Contacts. Make sure you open up the standalone application for it. From here, we want to navigate to the 3 bars, manage contacts, and then import contacts. It asks us where we want to import contacts from, so I'm going to select SIM. It then displays all the contacts on that SIM card. I can quickly select all of them by clicking right here. Now I can also deselect contacts that I might not want. Now we can select Done. And this asks us where we want to import the contacts to. Now for me, I only have one option, which is the phone. But as an example, if I had a Samsung account signed in on the phone, or maybe Google account, those would be options that I could pick from the list right here as well. From there, click on Import. It gives you a quick message that it has imported the contacts. And when you go back, you should be able to see them in your list. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.